Try to understand the concept of stop and wait protocol by means of one example. Okay, this is one example given and the flow diagram is given here. We have sending and receiving node with two layers specified, network and data link. In this scenario, in this example, whenever a network layer delivers the packet to the data link layer, it is encapsulated, put it into frame, and it is sent to the data link layer. Okay, and at the same time, it will, the data link layer, the protocol, it will start the timer. This indicates start of the timer. This timer, it starts and it will wait for the acknowledgement to be received. Okay, so here in this first case, acknowledgement is received from this, so this indicates stop the timer, successful delivery of the frame. And next it is the decapsulation and further process of delivery takes place. This is the first case. Now at the second packet, if you observe, packet is delivered from network to data link, timer has started, frame is sent, and in between frame is lost. It has not been received properly. Okay, it has been corrupted, you can see. So what it will do, it has started the timer, so it has lost the frame. It will wait for the acknowledgement, but it has not received any acknowledgement from the receiver side. So the timeout period occurs, so time expires. It has started the timer, so time expires. After expiring, it indicates that the data is either corrupted or lost. So what it will do, it will restart the timer. See, second time it will restart the timer and it will resend the same frame one more time, and then again it will wait for the acknowledgement to get received, and once it receives the acknowledgement, it will stop the timer. That's it. So this is the second case when the frame is lost in between. Now the third case, when the packet is delivered from network to data link layer, here it will start the timer, send the frame, wait for the acknowledgement for some time period, and here it is successfully delivered. Receiver will send the acknowledgement, but in between acknowledgement is lost. So once acknowledgement is lost, it has not been received here properly, even though it has successfully delivered here. Because acknowledgement is not received properly, it assumes that yes, again frame is lost or corrupted. It will restart the timer, it will resend the frame back, again wait for the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is received back, stop the timer. So this is the three different frames sending. First, successfully sent. Second, it is lost in between, so frame resent. Third, it is successfully delivered but acknowledgement is lost, hence resend the same frame. So in out of these three, in the third case, if you observe, same frame, two copies are delivered. So again there is some problem with this. We have to sort out this kind of problem for this particular example. Let us see how it is being resolved. We will make use of sequence and acknowledgement numbers. Okay, sequence, for the same example we will study what are these sequence numbers and acknowledgement numbers. Here the numbering is made for the frames and the acknowledgements, that is sequence numbers and acknowledgement numbers. Sequence numbers are alternative 010101 like that, and acknowledgement numbers are 101010. So just understand, we are going to use the numbering pattern for sequence number and the acknowledgement numbers. Sequence number is for frames, acknowledgement numbers for the acknowledgement. Okay, sequence numbers start with 0101, acknowledgement 1010, reverse. Okay, with this let us see the same example one more time. Let us see the scenario, the same example which we have seen in the earlier problem, the same example wherein three packets were delivered. First frame was successfully sent, second frame lost, so resent, third frame successfully delivered but acknowledgement lost, hence resent. So twice this third frame is resent. 2 copies exist for the third frame. So how to resolve this? If you just see here, frames are numbered 0, 1, 0, like that. Numbering is done. This is sequence numbers 0, 1, 0. This is sequence number starting with 0 and alternative 0, 1, 0, 1. And acknowledgement numbers, for acknowledgement, reverse 1, 0, 1, and the same it is repeated, so 1. Okay, let us see how here it is working. First, packet is sent from network to data link layer, and frame is assigned with sequence number 0. Frame 0, start the timer, wait for the acknowledgement. Successfully delivered, acknowledgement with number 1, reverse of this. It is sent to the data link layer, so stop the timer. Here no issues. First packet, no issues. Second packet, the second frame, it is assigned with the sequence number 1. Earlier it was 0, now it is 1. It is lost in between. Timer has started, it is lost in between, so it is not successfully delivered, so no acknowledgement is received. So acknowledgement is not received, hence it will restart the timer and frame the same number 1. Same number is resent. Okay, then it is successfully delivered. Acknowledgement, earlier it was 1, it was successful, so next complement 1, this time it is 0, it is sent, stop the timer. So frame 1 is resent, stop the timer. Now for the third case, earlier 0, second frame was 1, again now it is back to 0, alternative 0, 1, 0, 1. So for the third, start the timer, frame is sent, successfully delivered, acknowledgement is also sent, but it is lost, it is not received here. So what acknowledgement is not received, it means restart the timer and same frame is resent, not the fresh frame. Same frame is resent and it is successfully delivered. Here same acknowledgement is sent back. Stop the timer. Just see here, this was lost, so same number. This was lost, sorry, here this was lost, so same number. This was lost, so same number. And the star indicates, here if you see, this frame is received twice. Okay, here also and here also. Star indicates frame 0, this third frame, it is discarded because receiver is actually expecting frame 1 this time, because already it has been received frame 0. Alternative next term will be, first was 0, then was 1, next 0, it is successfully delivered. Next expected frame was frame 1, but it has received 0, so it will simply discard. So this will solve the problem which was existing in the earlier example without the numbering. Okay, with this defining the sequence numbers and the acknowledgement numbers, we are able to avoid the problem of receiving the same copies of the frames.